Hello guys, in this video we are gonna make this. So, let's start. First of all, import your music and image in After Effects. Now drag your image and music in timeline. Adjust the image scale according to your composition. Create a new solid layer and rename it as Spectrum. Apply Audio Spectrum effect on this layer. Select audio layer to your music. Now as you can see, the spectrum is reacting to your music. Copy my settings. Now drag two corner points of audio spectrum effect and bring it to the bottom. Duplicate this audio spectrum layer by holding Ctrl or Command and D key on your keyboard. Now change some values of lower spectrum layer. Again, copy my settings. Now apply glow effect twice on both spectrum layers. Change the color of lower spectrum layer whatever you want. It looks good to me. Right click on your image layer to pre-compose it. Select the second option here. Now right click on your music, go to Keyframe Assistant, and convert audio to keyframes. Duplicate audio amplitude layer. Rename one as scale and other as opacity. Press U key on your keyboard while on scale layer and delete left and right channels. Now left click on this little stopwatch while holding Alt key on your keyboard to enter expression. Apply smooth expression on it. Copy my values. Click anywhere to exit this expression box. Now do the same on opacity layer, but with some variations. Now click on your image pre-composition and press S on your keyboard to bring up scale value. Alt click on scale stopwatch and attach this swirly thing to the scale slider.
Love the touch but never love the feeling.
Oh no, this is not what we expected to happen. But don't worry, we can fix it. Click on expression box on scale, and at the end just add plus value. Boom, quick fix. Now we are gonna do similar thing with opacity of this image to react with our music. Again, alt click on opacity stopwatch and attach this swirly thing to the opacity slider. Just add plus 20 at the end of this expression. And here's a bonus tip, if you want to make it look more cool, click R on your keyboard and once again click on this stopwatch. This time add an expression called wiggle. Copy my settings.
You will always leave me. Why do I, baby, why do I? Love the touch but never love the feeling.
OMG, that looked good to me. You can experiment with it a lot in different ways. I mean, you need to think out of the box. Now, if you gonna make something with the help of this tutorial, post it on your Instagram and don't forget to tag me in your post. I would love to see your work and ideas. Also, I'm gonna make more advanced tutorials on lyrics videos that I made earlier. Thanks for watching this video and I'll see you in the next one. See ya.